Ay, bang mo ba yan? Ayun na. Let me put my bag. Let me put my bag. What's this called? Hi, Yolanda de la Pesca. 16 years of age, and I believe in God. Only is in the eyes of me. Thank you. But only other face is in the face of Kimberly Grino. Over talaga. Pag nakatalikod ba mukha niya sumara talaga. Pero once nag-start sumarap ka, sa mukha niya tao yung Obama. She looked at Michelle Obama. So it's become open, diba? Kaya ako matagal mo nakatalikod na ako sumara na. It's super na-open. Hindi talaga yung mga expecting namang nao talaga, no? At hindi na ng video. Thank you. Thank you sa video. Tapos mo na siya. Alam mo, 11.